Hey again, back to Master Vision digital printing course for online broadcast to teach you how to use the machine. And so this video will teach you how to do the alignment for bidirection and color offset. You know, lots of machine, when you got the machine, if you not have good alignment, so you meet lots of problems like printing color and white and varnish overlap. So this problem cannot get a good printing result. So why sometimes we get the overlap for printing white color varnish, because the white print head, color print head, and varnish print head not print on the same position for vertical and horizontal. So that's why we cannot get the good white color and varnish layer. So actually all the machine UV printers or DTF printers from Focus, we test and alignment the parameters before delivery ready. So in this step, you can forget it if you get a good result. But if you cannot get a good result as required, so you can do a little adjustment on your Focus Alpha Jet to adjust the bidirection for each speed and also the color offset printing. So why some person will ask Master Vision why you not put the print head and do the alignment, everything ready before delivery. So when I get the machine, I get everything and I fill in and start print. But because the absent print head is really weak, so and also it costs too much. So if we put print head on the machine and during delivery, then print head maybe we get damage for rough printing, for rough delivery by truck and by logistic. And also maybe long-term delivery, the print head will be scratched by the vapor, scratched by trucker. So for safety, we deliver the print head with the machine package. So that's why you need to do little adjustment for the color offset after you got the machine. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial, how to do the alignment. So after we already did the head space alignment, now we can start to do the last one, the color the bidirection. The color adjustment normally we don't need to change because the print head normally is brand new, no change. So we go to the bidirection adjustment. We choose bidirection, and here we check the print adjustment picture. And before we do the print adjustment, we can go to setting for the margin. Remember, we can set by 20, and Y margin we keep as default. Then we go to adjustment and bidirection. We choose print adjustment and print. Then the printer starts to print the picture out. And here we must find out, same as before, we check the zero if it's overlap or not. We find out the best position that without any overlap. So from the picture we can see the zero also have overlap. It's not a good one. The best one is check the top and the bottom all cannot overlap. The top here is moved to right, and moved to right too much, and here is moved to left, not good. And the best one, top, bottom lines straight, is the -1 or -2, -1. Here is the best. -1 is the best. This one is the best. Okay, we find the best one, -1. Then we go to the software and we just put -1 is
by here plus minus 1 is 14. 14.46. Then click save. Before it's 13.46. We plus minus 1 will be 14.46. Then we go to print adjustment again. We check if we get the best one. So we print on the same position. We can move the table a little bit to front and print again. So here is the second print. 0 is worse. So we also find which one is better. But before we can see this is not good because we not open the vacuum. We must open the vacuum. Then we can see the correct result. Remember, we must open the vacuum before we do the calibration. So here is not as the parameter because the vacuum not open. The film is bent. So we just change the print again. If the film bend, it will also affect the print result. So here it's back. So now 0 is the best. Top, bottom, middle. So anyway, we just be sure the 0 position, the top, bottom, not overlap to left or to right as a straight line. That will be good calibration for the bidirection. So this procedure to do the bidirection color offset, bidirection calibration.